Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of February 1st, 2021. Last week we see some selling after the Fed meeting comments and what happened on Thursday on the GameStop that's shaking the stock market. All you hear is the GameStop story for the whole week. Let me summarize what happened, what I call a revolution of the retail traders. A couple of hedge funds shorted the struggling video game retailer during this hard time and hoped it will come down to zero or closing out. They thought that they had it in the big bag. After some brief research on the GameStop, people on forum and Reddit found out a couple of hedge funds short this stock. They all decided to put their money into the stock and ride its price up skyward. The financial establishment got squeezed out of the GameStop and forced to take a loss at their own game for the first time in history. It is called a major cat-fed breakout. The hedge fund brought it back share like a madman, hoping to mitigate their losses. The price kept climbing so much that it increased over 1,000% between January 21st and January 28th. Then the big brokerage teamed up with them and not allowed retail traders to buy GameStop and other short squeeze stock. This would result in the GameStop price dropping and stopping the GameStop frenzy upside. In the meantime, the hedge fund were still allowed to trade the stock as they please. With this event, the big brokers show who they really care about. And it's not you and me. That's why you need to be more careful when buying this stock and always stick with the evidence that you see on the chart. At the end, the big guys may lose one, but his buddies will bail them out at the little guy's expense. Kudos to those of you that follow our rule and cash out quickly before it lockout. Hope this is a good lesson to learn for all retail traders. Last week, the market is going down after the big run-up. This is yet another checkout. After going down, we've seen a lot of stocks almost found their support at key levels so far. The overall trend is still up. And next week, let's see that the market be able to hold up at those support level and push it back up. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction to make some extra daily income and analyze swing trade stock price direction so that we can get a bigger profit potential. I will continue to update during the week, so make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on the new update. Trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich scheme. Trading involves significant knowledge of the market. Successful traders require much more than a good strategy. It requires discipline, patience, daily guidance, and a lot of experience from practice. You need to know when to make a trade, when to stay away, and need to know how to set up and read the trading chart correctly. No one jump right in and instantly become a successful trader. Most traders are losing money because they keep chasing to buy pump and dump stock and keep listening to the news and their friends for tips. That's why as Stock Navigator, we will help you learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with pattern recognition and money management so that you can buy with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. You need to learn how to read and analyze the chart before you can start buying any stock so that you can manage your own financial future. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live training room so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how the price action in real time, so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's take a look at the main index chart so that we can see where we're at right now. So first of all, let's take a look on the SBY, which is the SP 500 spider. So this stock after run up, they make an all-time high, and then they gap down. They try to come back and push it back up, try to fill up the gap, couldn't do it, and then they turn around and go down on Friday. But on the way down, they have a strong support on this level here. So the price dropped below the moving average here, but we have a strong support at this level here. Let's see next week the market be able to bounce back up or they will go here and test this area here before they can run up again. The next one is the Dow. The Dow it also come back down here. They also have a support at upper trend line here. Okay, let's see they can hold it up there. If they come down, this is a very strong level of support here before they can bounce it back up. And the next one is the IWM, which is the small cap top. That also, this one it make a killing upside here, but after the market show up, okay, a lot of small cap top they follow, and this stock still have a lot of room to come down here to get to the moving average here. So let's see how they pull back down here, and we will find a support and let you know. The QQQ, the technology stock, it also couldn't go higher after a lot of stock like Apple, Microsoft, they are now good earning, but because they hit to a certain level, psychology level, so the stock is overbought, so they have to pull back so that they can gain some momentum before they can turn around. So this is a strong level of support on the upper trend line here, also the moving average here. So let's see they'll be able to hold up here and push it back to the upside. Next one is the Semiconductor. It also sell up after they hit the all-time high. It's too far and too fast. So it's a correction here to pull back to have a strong support at this level here. And if you look at the couple of sectors, it still hold up very well during the show up. But XLRE, as you can see that the real estate and builder, they still doing very well. So after they run up, they hit the resistance, so they pull back. And let's see the be able to find the support and continue for the upside. So a lot of stock in this sector that, like we told you since last week, pretty strong. They shoot it back up. Now they pull back to the support. And let's see, they will have to build away and gain some momentum before they can go up again. Okay. Be Home, that's another one. As you can see here, the same thing. And MSO. And those up, they hit the home run here and then they pull back. So let's see if they're able to hold at the level of support right here for continuation. The strong sector that still hold up pretty well during a market saw up, that the biotech, as you can see here, they still very strong and continue to put it high, low. And then even though they pull down, but they have a strong support at this level here. And a lot of stock that in this sector, they related to the coronavirus, medical supply, and nothing that related to the hospital and take care the virus. So a lot of stock like mRNA, you can see that this one is pretty strong since we get in over here and then they push it back up. And let's see they hold up at this level for continuation next week. Next one is ONEM. That's another medical, also pretty strong. They break out and then they pull back. Now they try to find a way to push it back up again. Guidance Health, that's another one. Same thing. They go up, they pull back, and then they continue to go to the upside. EW, that's another one. They run down, run up. Now they pull back down. So looking for the support here and then bouncing back up. SKY, that's another one. That's a striker that also pull back down and follow support and try to run up. And SOLX, because this sector is still pretty strong because during a sell up, and those stocks are a good defense stock here, and then they still very strong to hold up. Okay, a lot of big cap stock like Apple, as you can see that even though they are now good earning, but they losing steam here, they come back. But we should be fine. The support somewhere in this level there. And MSFT, okay, Microsoft, it also go up. Very strong stock. They pull back down, so we're looking for some support at this level, or the worst case they put back here. Okay. And let's see they are able to hold up and continue to the upside. Boeing is also another stock that they have a struggle after another airplane crash. So this one is still going down, but somehow they will get into the strong level of support here. So we're looking for the bound, okay, and then we have to monitor to see whether they're able to turn around. And this week at the two stock lab, the big boy that they're going to, the big cap stock they're going to now earning at the Amazon. So the Amazon, they are going sideways. Okay, so Amazon should be very strong stock, but if you look at the momentum of most of the stock they are now earning, they all fall back down. So Amazon, if they can stick in this triangle here, we will watch out for the level of support over here. Okay, and let it break out this downtrend line here to continue to the upside. And another CMG, that's another big one. Also, they go to a now earning next week. So let's see if they're able. The momentum is stronger. So let's see if they're able to hold up and put it upside, or another push it back up, and then they dump it, and then they will pull back like the other one that we see. For example, like NFLX, like Netflix. Okay, this stock has been sideways, so they had now good earnings. They go back up, but they couldn't go through it, and then they turn around, they come back down again. So this stock has been sideways. So that's the nature of this stock until they're able to completely break out in order to go higher. Okay, so these are just a few stocks that I show you here in our live trading room. Every day we analyze a lot more stock in the real time with our members so that we can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out to take profit. If you are busy working, you can subscribe to our weekly premium Wall Street watch list, where we handpick about 3-4 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop, and target. So please don't forget to hit the thumb up button above. Thank you for watching, and I will see you during next week. Take care, everyone, and good luck.